Climb inside the 2013 BMW 328i. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.